LeSabre. That look nice. That look nice. Ooh. Ooh, you got this motherfucker clean. Inside looks stupid. Man. How long you had it, boss? That looks. How long you had it? You said 4 years? 10, 11? Dang. Did you redo the interior? How it looks so mint in there like that?
Everything was pretty much. The car was parked under a carport for like 16 years. The guy got it from his grandma.
I mean, it's mint in the inside, bro.
It's got the original 401 down there.
I couldn't help. I do content, YouTube content.
Oh, do you?
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's like, man, one of these, telling people go crazy over these, bro. And what size engine is this?
It's a 401 nailhead.
401 nailhead. That's what, fuel injected?
No, it's all carburetor. It's the only thing different on changed the 2-barrel to a 4-barrel.
Okay, so it's definitely got power.
Yeah, definitely drinks gas.
Yeah. I'm trying to do that. Change out the original carburetor. I got like 2 cutlasses, 86s. That's pretty much my go-to. I love cutlasses. Man, this right here though, this is like a whole other man.
You don't know nothing about this.
When I seen that, I said, bro, I gotta stop and record this, bro. Like, I get fired just by sitting here just record this car all day, bro. Like, man. Now tell me, if you were, what would, I guess, I don't know how much work you done did to it, but what would be the value of this car? Just on your own?
I'll give you $3,000 for it.
Oh, man.
I'll tell you how much I got in it.
I got you. We go
I
for that.
won't get that out of it. But I mean, I got almost 23,000 in the car.
So did you change out the interior?
Yeah,
or was already...
all the interior's brand new.
Okay.
Headliner, carpet.
Okay. Because I'm like, it's no way. I'm like, it's no way that's that
Those are all
clean.
carbon fiber inserts in the doors.
Oh man, you did a headliner too?
Yeah.
Shit. I ain't even look up there. Hey.
That's original.
Nah, that's original, bro. You can just tell. You can tell. Yeah, you can tell that's original.
Yeah, I've been toying with trading it or selling it. I think I could realistically get somewhere between 16 and 18 out of it.
I think more. I think you just wait, you get more.
You know,
Closer
we'll
to
see when I get
closer
ready.
to 20.
I
How
talk
long have you
about
already had it?
I've had about 7 years now.
That's not
It was literally
It was a mess when you got it.
a mess. Yeah, like it'd been parked under a carport for 16 years when I got it.
How much those tires cost you?
Actually, those were one thing I traded out. I did some work for a guy at a tire shop, and he got me. So it's you'll trip on this. Those are Coker, rims and tires.
Yeah.
I had new exhaust ran under the entire car. The front end is wildwood disc brakes on it, converted from the drum.
Okay.
It's still drum in the rear because they don't make a kit for this car, but the front's wildwood disc brakes.
Okay. So pretty much the frame and everything was all intact when you got it.
Yep. Yeah, they pretty much that engine we took back to the block and basically put every part new on it, tied the chain out, everything. I mean, it was
You
like I
can
said,
just see his
I
radiator.
probably
It's just
worked
out in the
on
open.
it. It probably was a work of almost 4 years just to get it to this point.
4 years. That sounds all right.
It's probably been done within the last few as far as like the interior and the paint and stuff. There's still little things to toy with them. There always is, but the windshield wiper motors, something's wrong with it, so the windshield wipers don't work, but I don't take it down.
I mean, when you get into this though, I mean, it's time to enjoy it, man. All the small stuff, like we ain't bringing that up no more. Shoot, you got the interior did, the engine's running. I mean, she's a beauty, bro. Like,
I bet the women love it.
My wife knows you.
Oh, yeah,
I had to get her in it. She likes a Jeep better, though.
now I got a question because you just brought up your wife. Now, was it like pulling teeth when you was putting time and energy in this, or you kind of managed your time and did it the right way? Because I go through that a lot, so I'm just trying to get some advice.
I mean, I did kind of, like I said, I tackled the running stuff, did the brakes, did, everything to make it So it was like I said, over 4 years I shelled out. I didn't shell out all of the time.
So wife ever say like, just get rid of it?
Hey, man, I go through that a lot, man. Man, I don't even want to speak because I'm recording, but man, I go through a lot, bro.
I told her I want to buy another one. I don't want to do it.
Exactly. Exactly. They don't understand. They do not understand, man.
I told her I'm gonna get my hair and nails and all that done all the time, you know. So.
It's the cars. It's the cars. Man, I appreciate talking to you though,
Hey,
man.
no problem.
So if you still got it and I hit the lottery, I'll be sure to come back. Cause I'm tired of doing work. Now I'm at the point.
It's all right.
Well, see, this is my buddy's house.
Yeah.
We were just painting his shed.
No. He's at work. We sprayed the shed over there for him.
Oh,
I live over in Copper Springs.
Oh, that's close to him and Mapleton.
I live there off of Corner Road.
I know where it's at. I just can't put my finger on it. Corner
Ever
Road.
been to show in Kennesaw?
By the Publix.
Not a lot of them over in Kennesaw. Ackworth probably.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we've gone around there, but not dead in Kennesaw. I know they do that like that. Was it that coffee and octane and cars or something every Sunday? I would never go to that one. But
Yeah.
I don't know if you have one in like Burlington. Yeah, one like Burlington.
Man.
What is it?
You just you don't see LeSabres like that, bro. Like, I mean,
That's the old school.
you don't see them.
nah, like it's rare for people to have LeSabres now.
Tiny side mirror.
I can't even find them to compare for like price because I found one on eBay for sale that's a 2-door, exact same car but 2-door instead of 4.
What
And
were they asking?
He's asking 26 for it.
That's why I said 20. I said 20.
Look at the floor.
I
It's a
mean,
red carpet.
you'd be surprised, bro. When you are probably ready to sell it, somebody's gonna offer you way more than what you ever thought you'd get for it. And you'll be like, man, you know what? I don't even want to sell it now. That's how it's gonna go. You're gonna say, man, you know what? I just keep it another year.
You ain't got no benches in there, do you? Nope. I don't see that.
No, that's old school. You get the wind sound.
Oh yeah.
Nah.
Oh yeah. I just had bought
This pedal is red.
a 72 Cutlass, but not the vert, hard top. And I gotta go and do so much restoration and sanding down, and man,
Yeah. That's
I bought it for $700. So when I looked at the car, I was kind of skeptical and I was kind of afraid to buy it. But a buddy of mine who does body work, he was like, man, you know, it'll take you either a lot of money or just a lot of time, but you can get the car back to how you want it.
So I put 93 in it, and then I have to put a lead substitute because it's the old leaded, or you got to find one of the few places that are few and far between to get leaded gas anymore. So but it runs great off that.
Yeah, I knew you wasn't
This
putting,
key to this car, I did so much to that engine, and we couldn't figure out why it just wouldn't run great. But when I finally put that 4-barrel Holly on it, this car has ran like a dream city. It just wasn't getting enough gas.
A lot of people say they don't like the Holly.
Yeah, I love it. This
you love
car,
the Holly.
ever since then, which that's been like probably 3 years ago, I put that on, and it's ran great ever since.
What? All right, tell me this. This is my last question before I go. What brand would you recommend out of Holly and Edinburgh? You still go Holly?
I like the Holly. My buddy's got a Holly on his.
Does it have windows?
Yeah, it's got windows.
I've had good luck with them. So
Yeah,
I mean, they're both good. They're both good cars.
I mean, I'm just thinking about parts and things I gotta buy, and I be kind of debating between the brands.
Yeah, they're both good, but I've had good luck with the Hollies.
Okay. Man.
I'll stay cool out there, man. It's gonna be hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get on out of here early. All right, man. Thank you for that.
Yeah, you guys have a good day, man.